Everyone, want to run your first PowerShell script? PowerShell scripts let you automate repetitive tasks, manage your system, and save time with just a few lines of code. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to create and run your first PowerShell script on Windows. So let's get started. First, open Notepad, Visual Studio Code, or your favorite text editor. Create a new file and type a simple PowerShell command. Write host hello world. Next, save the file with a PS1 extension. For example, save it as Hello World, PS1 in a folder that's easy to find, such as your desktop or documents. Now open PowerShell 7 from the Start menu. You can also click and choose Run as Administrator if your script requires elevated permissions. Use the set location command or its alias cd to move to the folder where you saved the script. cd home/desktop. Replace the folder path if you saved your script somewhere else. To run the script, type a backslash in the script name, then press enter. Hello World. PS, if everything is set up correctly, you'll see Hello World printed in the PowerShell window. If you receive an error saying scripts are disabled, don't worry. You may need to allow locally created scripts by changing the execution policy for your user account. Set execution policy scope current user remote sign type Y to confirm, then try running your script again. And that's how to run your first PowerShell script on Windows. Once you're comfortable creating and running simple scripts, you'll be ready to automate everyday tasks and build more advanced PowerShell projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.